Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Galicchio. Today I'm going to show you about making change. Before we begin, as always, take out your notebooks so you can write down the value of these coins in this dollar bill, especially if you don't already have it written down. So, the penny looks like this. It is worth 1 cent. That is how we write it. $0, decimal point 0.01. Make sure you have that 0 in there. The nickel is worth 5 cents. Make sure you write this down. The dime is worth 10 cents. A quarter is worth 25 cents. And the dollar bill is worth $1. Then we count these coins by their value. So pennies are counted by ones. Nickels are counted by fives. Dimes are counted by tens. And quarters are counted by 25s. I hope you remember how to count those quarters. 25, 50, 75, $1. So when we see 4 quarters, we know that means $1. All right, let's start with our first example. I went to the coffee shop with the money shown to the right and spent $2.63. How much money did I have left? Step 1. Understand the problem. This problem is giving me a total, that's this money right here. I subtract the cost, in this case it's the coffee, $2.63, to get my change. That's how much money I would have left or how much money I would get back if I was receiving change. So the total minus the cost equals the change. And it goes the same as the total minus the change equals the cost. All right, so now we understand this problem. The second step is to count any money that is shown. So sometimes in these problems, they will show you money, whether it be how much something cost, how much money you have, or how much change you received. It'll be one of these. They might show you the money. And in that case, you need to count it first. So let's start with the greatest value. $1, $2. The quarters make it $2.25, $2.50. Now we count the dimes, $2.60, $2.70. Now the nickels, $2.75, $2.80. Now the pennies, $2.81, $2.82, $2.83, $2.84. Step 3, find the missing information. So now I know my total is $2.84. I subtract my cost, $2.63, and the answer or the difference will be my change or what I have left. Okay, when I subtract these two, I will know how much money I have left. So one way we can do that is by counting up. So I mean subtracting. So we can subtract the $2.63 right on here by crossing it off. $1, $2, $2.25, $2.50, $2.60, $2.61, $2.62, $2.63. Now I can see that I have 1 dime, 2 nickels, and 1 penny. So my change, or the difference, is 21 cents. Let's try another example. Elston buys bread at the store. He gives the clerk $5. The clerk gives him the change shown to the right. How much did the bread cost? The clerk is the cashier at the store. So I need to understand the problem. He gave the clerk $5. He received the change shown here, the change, and I need to find out the cost. So it is total minus the cost equals the change. Or in this case, total minus the change equals the cost. Step 2, count the money shown. So let's start counting those quarters. Get ready. 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, $1, $1.25. Now I count the dimes. $1.35, $1.45, $1.55, $1.65. Now I count the nickels. $1.70, $1.75, $1.80. Last is the pennies. $1.81, $1.82. Step 3, find the missing information. So I have $5 minus the cost of the bread gives me $1.82. So I'll need to subtract. One way we can do that is we can count up. So we can start at $1.82 and count up to get to that $5. So I'll add a penny, $1.83, $1.84, $1.85. Now I can add a nickel to make it $1.90. A dime will make it $2. Now I need to go up to $5, so I'll add a dollar bill, $3, another bill for $4, and another bill for $5. So now I've made it up to $5 by counting up. So I need to see how much did I have to count up. So I did $3 bills, a dime, and a nickel, which makes 15, 16, 17, 18. So $3.18 was the cost of the bread. Another way of doing that is by using subtraction. So you can write $5 minus $1.82. Let's see if you remember our subtraction skills. 0 minus 2. I can't do that. There's more on the floor, so I must go next door. I need to regroup. But when I go next door, there's a 0. So I will box that up and make it 50 next door. So when I borrow in from that to regroup it, leaves me with 49. And that one that I regrouped over to my ones place now leaves me with 10 in the ones place. Now I can subtract 2. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Make sure that you bring down your decimal point in the same place, just like we do with commas in our thousands, and that you bring down the dollar sign as well. So I still got a difference of $3.18, just like in the other way that I used where I counted up. So both strategies will give you the same answer. It just depends on which one you can use or which one you're more comfortable with using. Sometimes we can't use one of the strategies. All right, let's try another one. John has earned the money to the right by doing chores. He needs to earn $4 to reach his goal. How much more money does he need? So I need to understand the problem. So he has $4 that he wants to earn, and then here's how much he's earned so far. The $4 is our total, his goal. The earnings are what we're subtracting to find the difference, how much more he will need. Step 2, count the money shown. So get ready to count those quarters. 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, $1. $1.25, $1.50, $1.75, $2. $2.10, $2.20, $2.30, $2.35, $2.40, $2.41, $2.42, $2.43, $2.44. Step 3, find the missing information. So we know that he wants to get to a total of $4. Here's what he has so far, $2.44. We need to know the difference between the two. One way we can do that is by counting up. $2.45 if I add a penny. A nickel would make it $2.50. 2 quarters would make it $3. One more dollar would bring me up to $4. So I can count this, and I add it on. $1, 50, 55, 56. $1.56 is the difference. You can also use subtraction. $4 minus $2.44. 0 minus 4, I can't do. So I go next door, box it up, regroup that to make it 39, and put the regrouped one over in my ones place. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 3 minus 2 equals 1. $1.56, just like I got when I counted up. So either way works. All right, let's try one more. This one's a little different. Mr. Engel would have a buzzer going off. Warning, warning. Jonah has a $5 bill. He orders the new Dragon Masters book for $3.99, which shows his change. So, understand the problem. He has a total of $5. The cost of the book is $3.99, and his change is the difference when I subtract them. Count the money shown. In this case, there is no money shown, but we will have to count these once we get our answer. And 3, find the missing information. So $5 minus $3.99 equals our change. So let's do that part first. I'm going to use subtraction. $5 minus $3.99. 0 minus 9, I can't do. So I go next door to regroup, box that up, take from the 50 to get 49, and then I bring that 1 in front of my 0 to make it 10. 10 minus 9 equals 1. 9 minus 9 equals 0. And 4 minus 3 equals 1. So $1.01 is his change. But I'm not done there. Now, I need to figure out what these answer choices are so I know which one is $1.01. That's our answer. So, 4 quarters equals $1. 2 nickels is 10 cents, making it $1.10. And 1 penny is $1.11. So it's not A. B, 2 quarters equals 50 cents. 2 dimes would make it 20 more cents. That's right, 70 cents. And 2 nickels is another 10 added on, so it would be 80 cents. That's not our answer. Let's try the 3 quarters. 25, 50, 75. 2 dimes makes it 95. And 8 pennies. I count up 8 more, making it $1.03. That's still not it. 3 quarters is 75 cents. 2 dimes makes it 85.95 cents. 1 nickel would be $1. And 1 penny, $1.01. Yay, we got it. So I hope that you learned some really great strategies and that tomorrow, when you're with Mr. Engel doing some problems like this, you'll remember what I showed you here today. Great job, everyone.